New visitation policy announced today for Allegheny Health Network. This new policy will allow for one person at a time visitations. The story new at 10 o'clock. Julia Hazel joining us now in the studio with much more. Julia.
People have felt the effects of the pandemic, especially when trying to see loved ones in hospitals. Allegheny Health Network announced a change in policy for visitations where people can now visit people only if they're in or outpatient. Allegheny Health Network announces a change to their hospital visitation policy.
Policy now, effective immediately, is that we can have one visitor at a time that can come to the hospital through our visiting hours, which are 11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Multiple people can visit during the hours, but only one at a time.
You can stay all day, and then when you leave, another visitor can come in.
But the pandemic that caused visitation to be restricted in the first place has now created some exceptions to this new policy.
The patient is a COVID patient. We do not allow visitation for a COVID unless that patient is end of life. And if that patient is determined to be end of life, we allow a visitor for that COVID patient.
St. Vincent's Hospital is one out of many locations a part of the Allegheny Health Network where people can come and visit their loved ones. It's a move designed to ease the stress on both patient and family.
I'm so glad that whether they're getting the chance to be there for their loved ones or they're getting to be there to help now in this process, for them to hear their voice, to help them along, I'm jumping for joy for that.
To learn more about the instructions to visit people at the AHN visitation policy, go to our website at yourerie.com. Sean.
Julia Hazel reporting tonight.